So now it's time to feed the deer.
Bow. 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 You must bow. Ow, ow. He bit me. He bit me. I don't like you. This man just bit my leg.
Alright, we're gonna try and feed them again, but this time hopefully not get nipped. Here's one. Wow. Okay, thank you. Ah! Look, cause this one wanted to get me too.
This one's biting me.
They're a lot more ferocious than they were a year and a half ago with my girl. This one wants to bite me. I know this one wants to bite me.
Wait.
How are you doing, Mr. Deer? Oh no, he's about to become very popular. It's like they're tickling you. Like they bite you to the point where it hurts just enough, but not too much. Oh, there we go. Oh, thank you. Thank you, mister. No, my dude's getting mugged. He's getting mugged by the deers. You just drop half of them, honestly.
Here's a look at the stores we have at this outlet. The major ones we'll be checking out, of course, are the Adidas, the Nike, the Puma. Now, at the time of recording, this is during the Black Friday week here in Japan. I just found out the other day that they have Japanese Thanksgiving. Didn't know that was a thing. But apparently, they have Black Friday in Japan now. This is one of the first, I think, years they've already tried doing Black Friday. The sales haven't been that amazing. But yeah, we're gonna hit up the Nike outlet, Adidas outlet, Puma outlet, and see how good the Black Friday deals here are in Japan. From what I've seen, they haven't been that great, but maybe at the outlets it's different. They even have a Coach outlet here too. They got Star Wars and Coach collab stuff. I had no idea. They had shoes, they did wallets, what, a backpack, everything, even a bear. Yo, this is really, really cool. They did a lot of stuff. I was not expecting all these Star Wars Coach collab pieces in the store. Okay, this is sick. They actually have like keychains right here. Star Wars Coach keychains. This is 20,000 yen. So 20,000 yen for this little golden teddy bear right here. They have so many cool keychains. Oh my gosh. So yeah, what do you guys think about this stuff? Is Coach Star Wars fire or is it poop? Let me know in the poll on the top right. This is like a Darth Vader bear. Okay, that's pretty cool. A Darth Vader ex-Coach. And they even did some clothing as well. Yo, it's a good thing I'm not that much into Star Wars, because if I was a big Star Wars fan, this store would have my money. This entire Coach outlet is 50% off. Now, I don't buy Coach, but that's a steal, I gotta say. Check these out. If I were to buy anything, it would probably be like one of these backpacks. I think my favorite items would have to be these like little side bags they have. Black one, they have an even larger black one up top, and then these bags here too. This is pretty dope for like an entry-level designer brand that you can get these off for 50% off. Oof, I think some of my favorite pieces actually would have to be the backpacks. There's some pretty dope backpacks. I'm getting like the LV Demier vibes from these ones, but here's a look at the other backpacks, and this is 45,000 yen for this Coach backpack. They have a whole bunch of other ones. So yeah, your boy's really tempted right now, but I think we're gonna save our money for the Nike and the Adidas outlets. Pretty strong start at the Coach outlet. Not only did some of the items, no, all the items had 50% off, but some items had an additional 20% off. So you're saving a lot of money at Coach. Sorry, Mom. I know if you're here, you'd probably buy some of the stuff, but I don't know what you like, so I'm not gonna buy you anything. I'm being financially responsible. know you guys are here for the sneakers, so I won't waste too much time inside of the other stores, but I do want to let you guys know that if you do come with a girl, she'll probably really appreciate it, because there's a lot of like other designer brands out here too. For example, we have Coach right here, but then there's also Kate Spade here as well. And there's a lot of other brands and stores here too. So this outlet is actually about 30 minutes away from the Kansai airport here in Osaka. So if you do need to kill some time, definitely stop by the Mitsui Outlet Park. I'll leave it linked down below, like the address or whatever. Definitely worth checking out, especially if you're looking for some steals. I'm really excited for this Nike outlet, because last time we found some pretty good stuff. We're inside of New Balance right now, and I gotta say, there really isn't anything that's catching my eye. I'm a big fan of like the 997H and the 997S, but they don't seem to have any of those like new lifestyle models here. They have a lot of the typical stuff like the 247s and some of their older models, but as like a sneakerhead, I really don't think there's too much for you here. This is more like generic kind of sneakers that everyday people will buy. So yeah, a lot of the stuff is like 50% off, but there is an extra 10 to 20% off if you do buy like more than one item. So pretty dope that it's like stackable if you buy more items, but if you don't want one item, what good is the sale? Before we get going to the next store, I gotta say, one thing that really stands out to me for the Black Friday sales in Japan is that people are way more orderly and polite and respectful compared to places like America and Canada. Don't get me wrong, but I'm sure you guys have seen the US versus Canadian Black Fridays. Well, Japan's on a whole nother level, okay? Japan is amazing, and you guys know this from what I've told you guys in the past with how respectful it is here. Everyone's so very conscious about like what everyone else is doing and very polite. And if you guys know how polite and how respectful and how orderly Japanese people are, that exact whole sentiment carries over to their Black Friday shopping. So it's a nice change of pace in terms of Black Friday shopping, although the sales aren't as good, but we'll figure it out soon enough. Next up, we're gonna be hitting up the Puma Outlet. Let's see what we can find. So all the shoes are on sale, and if they're on the hashwa or slant shelves, as they call them here in Japan, they're an extra 20% off. So I've been seeing quite a few of these. These are the Diamond Supply Co. Clyde diamonds. These are size 27 centimeters. So what size is that in American sizing? Size 9 US. They're 85% off. So take an extra 20% off of that. That's 2,000 yen with an extra 20% off. That is a straight steal. The shoes aren't that hot, but I mean, come on, for that price tag that's on screen right now, how do you say no to that? That's such a good price. They also have this white and red colorway of the Puma Palace Guard. These are 35,000 yen, down from 9,800. Pretty solid savings on these. We also have a few Puma suedes right here, the classic suedes. These are 6,300 yen, so they have this cool orange colorway. They have a green colorway here, and they also have a pink one too. So there you have it. That was the Puma outlet. Honestly, pretty disappointed compared to the American outlets. The American Puma outlets are fire, man. They got so much good stuff there, even like Puma Thunder Spectres. But here, not really much going on besides that one really insanely priced Diamond Supply Co. Puma suede. So that was it for the Puma outlet. Next up, we're gonna be going over to the Adidas outlet. Here we are at the Adidas outlet, and based off of the sign at the front of the store, check this out, an extra 50% off from discounted price. Sounds good to me. Take a look at the back here. They got a lot of pretty dope sneakers. I think they have a few of the Home of Classics. They got some night joggers right here for 5,000 yen. Really good prices on these. A whole bunch of colorways, man, like 5 to 6 different colorways. I really like this one right here. Really dope. Here's a look at the Young 1s and Young 96s. They got this sort of like Dragon Ball looking one here. I really like these ones as well. These are all for 11,400 yen divided by 2, so half price. It's pretty good for these shoes right here. Checking out the hash wall right here, we got some of the Young 96, no, Temper Run, Adidas Temper Run. These are 6,900 yen, and this hash wall here is an additional 20% off, so 7k yen with 20% off. I love these. These are a really, really dope colorway, the Temper Run. They have another colorway here of the Adidas Young 96 Chasms. Pretty cool. These are going for 8,900 with an extra 20% off. We also have the Adidas Tresk Run right here for 8,000 yen with an extra 20% off. Not really a fan of this colorway. Here's a look at their Ultra Boost selection. I think this is where they shine the most. Now, I don't know if there's an additional 50% off on all of these shoes. I think some of them do have an extra 50% off, but yeah, these ones will definitely be an extra 50 off. These are 18,000 yen, so these are going to be down to 9,000 yen. The Ultra Boost S and L. These use more premium materials, more of lifestyle materials. I want to say not just like running shoe prime to upper. We also got the Ultra Boost 19s. These are 50% off as well. We got the triple white colorway, got the core black colorway. These are really nice as well. These definitely pop. These are also for 5,500 yen. This pops really well as well. It's sort of a gray and orange colorway for 50% off. But here's some more. We'll show you guys all the different colorways that they have, but they have a lot of really good colorways for the Ultra Boost 19. This is actually a very, very extensive selection of all the Ultra Boost 19s. This is like almost all the recent ones that they've released in the last, like I want to say 6 to 8 months. And they even have these ones here. This is the one I did the ad campaign with Foot Locker on. These are really dope. I like this colorway. It reminds me of the OG colorway, which they do not have here, but this is a great alternative to the OG colorway. I think this is the steal of the day when it comes to apparel. They have these right here, and these are on sale for 3,200 yen, this hoodie. And then we also have the gray sweatpants as well. These are going for 2,700 yen. That's pretty great for a full-on tracksuit. So I gotta say the selection inside of the Adidas store was pretty decent. It was definitely better than the Puma Outlet, and they had so many Ultra Boosts. So they were really cheap. That means if you've never owned an Ultra Boost before, this is the prime time to get a pair because they're so cheap here in Japan. So next up, let's get going over to the Nike store and see what they have there. So the sales are looking promising so far. It looks like everything might be 50% off and then an extra discount the more you buy. So if you buy 2 items, I think you get an extra 10% off, and 3 items, you get an extra 20% off. So looking good. So it turns out I'm wrong. There is no big discount on any of the shoes besides the discounted price that is shown on the tags. But there is that extra discount when you buy more than 1 item. To start things off in the size 10 section, we're in the 9.5 to 10 area. We got the Nike M2k Techno Sp. These are 5,000 yen. This is that olive colorway. This is one of the more like premium versions, premium colorways that they did. The materials are different. They got like suede on the upper. So yeah, 5,000 yen for these. I think that's like 2,500 pesos. Not bad of a price, but I'm honestly not too big of a fan of this colorway. They have quite a few of them as well. So here's another pair right here, another pair right here, and one shoe they also have quite a few pairs of are these, the Vandal High Supreme Quick Stripe purples. They have this purple colorway here, and they have 3 more in the size 10 section too. So Carlo, can you tell me about what you think about this Nike Outlet so far?
Really sad. Really
Why?
sad.
Why are you sad, Carlo?
Because they're only up until size 11. No size 12s.
Next up, we got the Nike Air Max Nostalgic. I've never seen this shoe before. Sort of reminds me of the Air Max 180. These are going for 4,000 yen. These are pretty cool. These are the Nike EXP X14 Y2K for 5,000 yen. And guys, don't forget there's an extra discount on top of all these prices. So I'll have the reflected price on screen when I show you guys these shoes as well. Check these out. Some Jordan 1s at the Japanese Nike Outlet. Not something we're used to seeing. These are the women's Air Jordan 1 Explorer XX. So these are 6,000 yen. These are crazy. These are like really high top. The laces go up super high too. When you think Jordan 1, you definitely don't think of this, and there's a reason it's a woman exclusive. I don't really think a lot of guys would rock this. Here's another woman's size 9.5, the classic Cortez for 4,000 yen in this great colorway. Super simple and clean. So I've seen about 30 of these in different sizes available. The pair I showed you guys first, but now I'm also finding a gray pair as well, and I think these are definitely more wearable than that olive green pair. So this is another premium M2k Techno for 4,000 yen. That's pretty solid. Actually, it's 1,000 yen cheaper than the green pair, so It's more wearable and it's cheaper. So I think this is probably one of my favorite sneakers at the outlet today, but they only have them in sizes 6 and 7. They are these red sort of foam posted Air Force Ones. I really like this shade of red and the material they use on them. The Air Force One Foam Posite Pro Cup for 5,000 yen. So again, they have a lot of them. 1, 2, 3. And then we got some more over here as well. 4, 5, 6, 7. Many pairs just sizes 6 to 7 only.